Okay. Okay. Now we're on the lesson 13. Why you got a call here? Okay. All right. All right. We already finished with this one. So today we are going for the verb, right? So I already written. So because I want to focus more on the lesson. Yeah. There's some vibration here. Okay. Bunjati. He eats, enjoy. From this one is a boot. Okay. Plus right? Plus the M here. And then the here, how you get this one? The M become the nya. And then the nya and J interchange in position become bunch plus up plus T. So you got bunjati. So this is the second conjugation. Okay, number second group. This is the he eats or enjoy. Sometimes there's another word is a consume. Yeah, there's a word. Okay. So another one is awa janati. He despise, denies. Okay. Awa means down. Yeah. So I have some microphone problem here. Okay. Yeah. So nya. So nya become ja. So awa plus nya become ja plus na plus ti. So awa janati. So next one he associate follows. Batch plus up plus ti. So this is very simple. Bajati. Okay. Next one is a jahati. Pajahati. He gives us, rejects. All right. So ha. So how we get this one? Because ha is a duplicate. So ha plus jaha plus a and t. Duplication of root. Okay. So from ha, jaha plus a plus t. Okay. So next one wandati. 1 plus a and t. This is very simple. So vipajahati. So this one is same with this one, but you got the wheat plus pa. Ha becomes jaha plus a and t. So vipa ha become vipa jaha and t. All right. So let me finish here. Neti, nayati, ni, he lead plus a. So neti. So here ni become a plus aya. So then you get the neti or nayati. Nasati, ruins, vanishes, perishes. Nyas plus a plus t. Right. Then the here s and y become ss. Right. So you got nasati, ruins, vanishes, perishes. So all these are vocabulary. When you do the homework, you will see all this. Okay. So kilati, he plays. Ki plus a plus t, very easy. Kilati. Pari wajeti. Prefix pari plus what plus a plus t. Pari wajeti. So very simple. So next one with the apa dawati. So apa plus the da plus a and di. So he runs. Dawati he runs. So apa is away. So he runs away. Okay. So piwati. Pa become piv plus a plus d. So this is special changes here. Chocharati. He behaves wonders. Char plus a plus d. So charati. Now jarati is another one. Become old, decays. Like the past participle is jinna. Alright. This one you learn on lesson 15. So how you get it from this jar plus ina. Now past participle is two. One is ita, one is ina. So he's taking the ina. So ja plus ina become jina. Because in Sanskrit it's a jr for the root. Okay. Now the next one is he learns. Ud, the prefix ud, root is ga and na. Here's a special change because of H sound, H and N interchange in position. So after you change it, H and N, then become N and H. Then the dental N become lingual N. So you got the ugan hati. So the meaning, another meaning is a ganhatic text. But ugan hati means he learns. Okay. Sorry, I just got lots of echo. Okay. So I will give you 5 minutes or 2 minutes to look at this one because I need to solve the microphone problem. There's a vibration here. Okay. So any question on this?
Saiji,
Yeah.
Vira here. Just jarati, jar, the PP is jina. Jar, can we put jar plus na? Then RN become NN.
Ja plus na. Then RN become NN.
NN.
Yeah, R
Instead,
and N become NN, correct. Yes.
so instead of put ina, we put NA, can
NA.
the suffix na.
Oh, you don't want the I, is it? Also can,
Put
up to you.
bracket I there,
Yes.
can.
So if you don't want to put the ina also can, or you want to put the ina also can. It depends on how you see it. Okay.
Thank you, Saiji.
All right. So okay. All right. So after this, we will go for the lesson. This one. This one is done by Sumita. All right. So when you do any translation, even for basic or intermediate, you need to find the English. This is the Pali grammar, and then the meaning. So all these are very simple. All right. So from this lesson onwards, there's a lot from Tipitaka. For example, this one is also from Tipitaka. All right. And this one also from Tipitaka. Okay. I think since this is on the vocative, you will see a lot of vocative here. This one of the vocative here, samana, right? It's a vocative singular because it ending with the A. Right. And now this is also another vocative. Ehi tata lata pala bunja cha piwa cha. So Sumeda is not sure about this tata. All right. Tata actually is a vocative singular. So when we see the tata, we check the dictionary. Okay. Tata is normally we translate for the friendly person. For example, you address the father or the younger or so on. So this tata, maybe if you check the Latin or German or even like English like daddy, so actually it's very friendly addressing. For example, amma, tata, mother, mommy and daddy. All right. But in this case, this is not mommy and
Okay.
daddy. All right. Tata
Yeah.
pala is a person. So it's a dear Tatapala. So Tatapala is the son. So the father mother address the Tatapala. So Tatapala. So since they are talking to Tatapala, he come bunja. All right, you eat and drink. So when we want to put a few action, we put a cha. So from the bunjati cha piwati cha become bunja cha piwa cha. So this is the imperative second person singular. So remember imperative, you can write like this. Bunjahi or short form bunja or piwahi short form piwa. Alright. So this is one of the things in this lesson 13, which focus more on the vocative. This samana also vocative. Alright. This also vocative. This one also vocative. Okay.
Ehi also, Saji, just now you said ehi
Yes.
also. So ehi is not imperative, it's vocative. Ehi.
Vocative for this tata. Tata.
But ehi is
Vocative.
imperative lah.
Imperative. Yes, you are right. So imperative, bunja imperative, piwa also imperative.
Then how
Okay.
about the analysis of ehi is
Yeah,
V
it's correct.
I to go.
Okay.
Is correct. Thank you.
Yes. So when you
Thank you.
see this thing, so what you do is try to find the present tense. Okay. For example, this one will be 80. This one will be pun jati and then piwati. All right. So it become ehi bunja or bunjahi bunja piwahi piwa. All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now next one. So even though it looks special, this actually all are imperative second person singular, right? But how you get this utahi? All right, you put like ut plus ta. This is a tiktati, right? So you're not sure about this. So it's very simple. What is the root? Okay, prefix is ut plus sorry, there's a computer sometimes go problem. Okay, ta, and then same like just he. All right. Now this a, where is the a coming from? Utehi. So can we check do we have this ute? Yeah. Utehi, yes, you have utehi. Uteti, yes. Okay. It's a causative. Causative or this one. So this means that is a there will be the A. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you just need to know ut plus ta plus A and he. You go take utehi. And vira is still vocative singular. Oh, hero. Actually, this what you see here is all the Tipitaka things because this one is said by the Brahma Samhapati to the Buddha. He asked the Buddha to arise and then to preach the Dhamma. Actually, from this lesson 13, there's a lot of Tipitaka, right? Even like this one. Okay. This one also from Samyutta Nikaya, Sagata, or Nasanti Sutta, right?
Sorry,
One should
Saji.
abandon anger and abandon conceit. Yes.
The number 4, the utehi, just now you show ut plus ta plus e, that is causative, plus
Yes.
he.
He,
That
yes,
means
imperative second person singular, correct. Yes.
that means the imperative is not uti hati, as I show on the PG there. It is not.
In this case, maybe
It's
you
not.
can put this one.
Wait,
Okay.
UTT.
Present tense. Okay. Utetik.
Okay.
But actually very logic. You go ut plus ta plus a. And this guy is tick. But because it's imperative, it's he. Okay.
Yeah, clear. Thank you.
So now the sentence is actually very simple. Utehi vira. All right. Get out, O hero. Because this is a vocative, you can put the word O. Right. Put a comma here. Okay. Now.
Sorry, Saji, Jenny.
Yes.
For number 4, why do you need to use the causative? Because it's like get up is like
Cause to get up. Cannot see that.
Yeah. It's not mentioned here, but we can make it think that causative in a sense, like sometimes we say like let or cause, or sometimes causative also means the meaning like a wish. Okay. You wish for somebody to do something. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Kodam, anger. Jahe. Now you have the imperative. A imperative. Aya also imperative. So you should dispel anger, manam, conceit.
Objective, right?
Oh, sorry, objective. Yeah. All right. So one should dispel the anger, kodam anger, and then should abandon the manam, pride or conceit. This one is also, as just now said, Samyutta Nikaya Sagata. This one you can see the sentence very short, but the Pali is very meaningful. Right? One should dispel the anger. Right? The thing is, Jahe is after the Kodam. And then this one actually should make a break here. So Kodam Jahe. This Jahe is linked with the Kodam. Vipajaheya is linked with the Manam. Right? And then everything is optative. Third person, singular. That's why when you see third person singular, you can put the word one. All right? One should dispel anger, abandon the conceit. And this one, the changes, vipaja, is like just now. The roots are duplicate, right? Jaha from the root ha. Okay, so Sumeda, you have to check your this verb analysis later. Okay.
Yeah, Jaha one. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Nasati wata bo loko. Right. This is also Brahma Sambhavati. All right. Okay. He requested the Buddha to teach. All right. At that time. So at that time when the Buddha was thinking, oh, he didn't want to teach because the world, the people are full of defilements. So when Brahma Samabati get to know about that, so he say the world will perish. All right. So nasati. Right. This is not a future tense, no, because the root is a nas plus ya. Okay, it's not the future tense. It's not the isati. So perishes, present tense, third person. Wata here is indeclarable. Bo. Now we are talking about vocative. Here is all vocative. Bo, friend. Loco is the word. So the subject actually, the word. Actually, I think there's no will. All right. The world
Yeah.
perish. But in a sense, is the world will perish. Right. Now, bo. Okay. Is it singular or plural?
Friends.
Vocative of about one. This vocative about one. Right? Yeah. So it didn't say it is singular or plural. Yeah, it can be plural. Yeah. Okay. So you can make a note here. This ball is vocative of about one. So where is the?
The one is normally plural indication, Sajid, consonantal or what? Lesson 21.
Okay. Okay. So this one actually is another one ending with anta suffix. Yeah.
Yeah.
Consonantal. All right. So the word perishes, friends. So vocative here. Right. So panditam. So subject is me. Me. All right. I do not despise the wise one. So direct object pandintam. So na plus awa become nawa. Right. So I think this one you no need to write. Okay. So I should not put like this. Okay. So should put the awa here. Okay. Awa is better put here. Na is another one. Okay. So na awa janami is easier to understand.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
na is a don't.
Is what type of compound, Sajid?
Normal compound Sunday.
Sunday.
Now and now. Now and now, right? So awa janami. Awa is down. Like just now say awa is down. Janami is I know. You know somebody is down. So means that you look down or you despise. Okay.
So
This one,
Sajid, I didn't get you. Sorry, you said the Nava Janami is not a compound, it's a noun, and noun that means called what? Sunday.
here is not now. Here is na plus awa janami. Na is a, even though it doesn't look at now, it's indeclarable. So indeclarable plus verb. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So I cancel the word compound.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
Euphony.
thank you. Euphonia. Okay, thank you.
So here, this is no vocative, all right? Not, don't. Baje. So A. What do you think this A is, Sumita?
Bajaya. This bajay is imperative, the contracted form of bajati.
Bajati.
Yes.
Bajati. All right. Bajati. Why is it A here? Bajeti.
Because bajay is imperative second person.
Second person is baja.
Baja. Bajay, that means it's objective already.
Yeah.
Short form.
Baja. He. Baja. Then this second person. Second imperative. Second person singular. So baje. This one should be Aya. Right? Aya. Yeah. Right. Okay. So bajati. All right. Then we don't have E here. So this E should be optative. All right. Okay. So should be from this baje. Means from the short form of the baje. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So it should be the
Objective.
objective third person singular. Means that one should not follow. Okay. One should not follow evil or bad friends. Okay, Sumita?
Yeah, thank you, Saji. Much appreciated.
Okay, you can see this also from the Dhammapada. That's why from lesson 13, all are from the Dhammapada and other suttas. Verse number 78. One should not associate with the evil friends. Okay. And then you should associate with the good friends, right? Or Purisa Uttama. One should associate with the best friend.
This one is
Adame.
called twin verse, right, Saji? Twin verses. This is called twin verses, is it?
I'm not so sure, but this is but this on the
Okay.
verse 78. You can look for it. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Verse 78. Now next one is also from the Theragatha, elder verse 461. So this is very common. Bunja. Now you can see a lot of imperative here. Second person singular, right? Bunja means from the bunjahi. All right. Imperative second person singular. You enjoy. So means that you enjoy right? You enjoy the sensual desire. Sensual desire, and then is explained by this manusake. So human sensual desire. This is adjective here, right? So very simple. You enjoy human sensual desires. Okay. Now this one is also from Tipitaka, from the Theragatha, verse number 3 or 4. From the whole sentence is Adama means bad dharma leads to niraya hell. So good dharma leads to Sukati is a heaven or good place, right? So beside the word unrighteous, so you can say maybe bad dharma or bad teaching. Bad teaching leads somebody to the hell. Okay, so the verb is ni, neti, all right? The root is ni, right? So ni also can plus a become neti. Ni plus a, neti. So bad teaching leads to hell. So the subject is a bad teaching or adama. Adamo. Right. Right. I think 13B is a little bit difficult, but I think not so difficult because the answer at the back. So you all should try to do yourself. Okay. So when you write, I think this is done by Sumita, right? So
Yes.
English, right? English grammar, subject, yes. Man tie out the rough. Subject is in English subject, verb, rough is direct object. Okay, so instead of putting the Pali word here, this one should move to later. Pali grammar should come first. Okay, so
Pali grammar should come first.
yeah, all right. Because after you know the grammar, then you can translate properly. All right. So you should know the subject is masculine nominative plural. Then after that, you know the manusa become manusa, right or not?
Yes.
So the grammar should come before the word. So you know this is a present present tense, third person plural. Then you know it's badanti, all right. Then you know
Yes.
it's a masculine accusative singular, kula plus m dot kulam. Then you know manusa kulam badanti. So you should do it in this way,
Oh,
right?
the
So English
first.
first, Pali grammar, Pali word, and then the sentence.
Okay, thank you. Yeah,
Okay.
we'll get it amended.
Yeah. So the other student, when you want to do it in this format, all right? Right. The English grammar, Pali grammar, then the Pali word, sentence, right? And then any analysis that you can find, all right? Okay, so if you need help, you can ask Sumeta. All right. Okay, this sentence I think is, as long as you do the part A, this one is not so difficult, all right? Okay, G plus na, Jina. But the root is not G, no? The root is jar, okay? The root is not G. Jar. The root is jar. Okay.
Okay, noted. Thank you, Jar.
Okay. So do we have G? Let's see. No. We don't have G. We have
And then how it
Ja.
become I?
Ja, 2 ways away. How it become I because of the Sanskrit. Jiyati. This is a Sanskrit. Okay. So let's say,
I didn't get
like just now.
Jar.
Yeah. No, Sanskrit is Jiyati. Later I'll send to you. Okay. Let's say if we don't want to use the ina, so we use the Sanskrit G plus na become Jina. Then this is also good. Vera, okay? If you want to know
The long I,
how to get Jina.
J-I-R, long I.
This is a Sanskrit. It's
Oh,
not Pali. Pali is
okay.
a,
J-A-R.
all right? Jar
Yeah.
or G. So for Sanskrit is much more easy to understand.
Yeah, correct. Thank you.
All right?
Yeah, drop
So
the R.
Thank you, Saiji.
Now the sentence is actually very short, okay? Right? Okay, now Sumita want to ask about this part B, 11, all right? All boys, yes, no problem. Vocative plural. Now, there's 2 ways to write. The first way, if you want to write the action, one action, second action, third action, fourth action, all right? You can use, now, since talking to the boys, so you can use a ta, second person plural. So, come, kachata, ida, bunjata, drink, piwata, kilata. So you can use the ta, 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 ta. all right? But if you want to use the gerund, so because there's a comma here, so after the comma, eat, drink, and play. So eat, drink, you can put in the gerund. So eat, buncitua, drink, pibitua. And finally, the last one, you put kilata. So will be come here, agachata. So pujitua, drink, pibitua, and last one, kilata. All right. Then in this way, you look at the answer here. Agachata, buchata, piwata, kilata, cha. You only need to put the cha
The end.
at the end, right? But if you are using the gerund, you don't need to put the cha. Cha is applied when the verb have the same form, ta and ta and ta. All right. But if you are using the gerund, you don't need to put the cha at all. Okay. Sumita, this is your question, right?
Yeah. Now wait, I see whether I can get you correct or not. So my sentence, Kumara, Ida, Agachata, Bujata, Pivata, Kilata, Ch, is correct lah. It's more than enough. No need to put
This is correct.
Bunjitwa. Huh?
Yes,
These are
but
all
if you
correct,
want to put the puchitwa, pivitua, and kilata, this one
like
at
this
first
one
when you
lah.
send to me, this is in the gerund. When you send to me, it was in
Okay.
gerund. So I change it to the ta here.
Okay.
Alright.
So I understand, but the agachata still stands.
Yes, because there's a comma here. So comma means it's a phrase you can break here. Alright.
Okay. Thank you.
So all boys come here, eat and drink and play. So you just put the ta for this one, right? Eat and drink and play. You can put ta and ta and ta and cha. Or you can put the two actions first with the gerund. So bujitua, pibitua, and finally with the ta. Okay. Sumita, okay?
Wait. I take a screenshot, Saji. I take a screenshot. I have to digest. Thank you.
Okay. I think the rest are quite simple. Now,
Yeah.
when you use the word cannot, remember we learn about the sakoti. So sakoma. So we cannot means sakoma. Not, you put not. Can means able. Sakoma means not able. So not sakoma means not able. So to go. When cannot go, all right? So if you want to translate, so another way, we are not able to go to the village now. So we, subject, are not able, not sakoma, right? Now the object is village, right? Then to go, tum, infinitive, gantum, okay? Now, idani. So for this time, this not able of time, okay? Able of time, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So
Able of time.
so you put the Pali grammar first. So okay. Okay. All right. Okay.
Able of time, that means indeclinable.
Yeah. Okay. Indeclinable also can. This one should go to top. Okay. So we not able to go to the village now. Okay, this in English. So in Pali, idani, put the time first, then subject mayam, kamam, to the village. Kamtum, not able to go. Not Sakoma. They're not able to go. I think there's a need end dot here. Okay, you check. I think there's an end dot here. Okay, not
Lower
Sakoma.
dot, you mean Sakun?
Yeah,
Sakunama,
this should be
there's a lower dot.
Unna. Yeah, Unna.
Okay.
Unna's conjugation sign Unna.
Yeah, so it's the
Yeah.
fourth.
Yeah, okay. With the
Thank you.
long A. Okay. All right. So
Mm,
any
mm.
question for other student?
That means the sentence is correct, huh? The Pali sentence is correct, lah. The
Yes,
English
yes.
one we have to change because the English one was given, leh. So I will put alternate sentence, alternative sentence.
Yeah, we are
can-
not able, means cannot, okay?
Mm,
Okay, so
Okay.
we are not able to go to the
mm.
village now.
Okay,
So
this is the
gantung
alternative.
should, yes, gantung should, infinitive should just before the verb,
Yes, correct.
all right? Okay, right.
Thank you very much, Saji.
Okay, this is a, oh, now it's B. All right, I think it's same also. Yeah,
This one is your notes.
oh, my notes, okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. Also, you done already. Okay, not so difficult, I think. It's only need time to pick up the grammar and verbs. There are many verbs here.
A lot of imperative.
Yeah, I know, imperative. And then this
And
is a new
vocative.
vocabulary for you all right?
Yeah.
Okay. So lesson 12 has more adjective. Lesson 13 has more verbs. Right. So all these are good to ask in exam. All right. Other student, any question?
Saiji,
Yes.
the 13C
Yeah.
answer in Pali, that means,
Where?
can you give some example answer in Pali? 13C.
The
Another.
oh, okay. Oh, you mean another one. All right.
That one I'm doing partial. Not yet finished. Have to do or not, Saji?
I mean, if you want, you can answer. Answer in Pali. Do you know the meaning of answer in Pali?
That day you corrected me. That means there's a question, then you have to reply in
Yes,
Pali.
yes. But in my university, nobody do it.
It's also a good practice, Sagi. But I feel that it's good to do the translation. Very good practice.
Okay.
That's why the lesson 12, I did the translation, not answering the question. So I find that you corrected my Pali grammar.
Okay. This one is C, okay? Lesson 13C. Now, answer in Pali means that they ask you these questions, you have to answer in Pali. For example, ko idani tatra damam desiti. Who? Now, there, dhamma, expound. So, who is expounding the dhamma there now? So, you have to answer the Buddha or the Samano or Saiputro, okay, or Ratapalo, all right. So if you want, you all can try yourself, okay.
Thank you.
This is just a question that you should answer in Pali, not in English. No need analyze.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody want to try, you can try, no problem. It's good for, since this is the last lesson for this class.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, so now let's go for, so we finish this one, we still have plenty of time.
That means, Sagi, when we do this one, we straight away answer without having to translate to English.
No, you can see, for example, this is the who already.
Yeah,
so you just copy the sentence here, like Saliputro, Tero, elder Saliputra, Idani Tatra Damandisiti. Now this is the second question. Why? You today monastery not go. So why you don't go to monastery today? So you have to write, because I am lazy, you know, there's a laziness in a lesson 12, all right? Okay, so you have to first understand the meaning here and then try to answer in Pali. Okay,
Okay.
look for something simple. Okay, kuhim, where, he, cow, leads. Where is he leading the cow? Then you have to write your answer where, to where, all right? To the field,
To the field.
to the village, to the river, right? Like Kutra, there also another question, where? Okay, where now the Senani, the general and the boys going. So where are the general and the boy going now? So you should ask, you should write yourself to the village, to the monastery. So you can just change it. Instead of put the Kutra, you put the monastery here. So Idani, Senani, Cha, Kumala, Cha, Viharam. They go to monastery. Kachanti. All right. So you should answer in Pali, no English. No need analyze.
Okay, thank you. Answer in English.
Okay. So we go for this lesson 13. I think you all should try it. This is the last one already. Okay. There's a okay. Okay, so we already finished lesson 13. Lesson 12 on the acquisitive. Right. This acquisitive, all right. Now we say the chart just now, right? Chart you can use for the noun. Kodo chart, mano chart. This is the noun. Or for the verb, kasami chart, wapami chart. Right? Okay, so we finish. Now, this is a sutta number 3. So we do something very simple. This one coming from the Tipitaka, all right? So you find this in the Pali Canon, Mula Pali, original Pali, in the Sutta Pitaka, Kuttaka Nikaya, in the Kuttaka Pata Pali, right? So you find this, double click. So this is for the very simple sutta, right? So you got the like this one, Sarana Tayam, Triple Gem, 10 trainings, 32 parts. And this is the one that here, number 4, question for the young boy. All right. I think this one another Bante was teaching. I saw it on the YouTube the other day. So may put for young boy better because it's for the young
Novice.
children. So the question is
Novice.
very short. Novice Kumara. Kumara we don't translate as a novice. Kumara.
Samanera
What?
Panha.
No, not the Samanahana.
Oh,
Okay. Kumara is young children, very young.
okay.
So that's why the question is very short. Boy, youngster. Okay. Now, here you can pick out the grammar, simple grammar. Kim, what is Kim? Question is, Kim is just a question. Nama. Here, Nama is doesn't mean name, right? Previously, you see the Nama as name. So name here is just, sometimes has no meaning here.
What is one?
Okay. Sometimes it can mean name, right? Okay. Sometimes it can just means indeed, okay? Like indeclarable. So it doesn't have much, it can be name here, or just indeed, or just call it emphasis things, okay? Emphasis. So you just don't need to translate. Eka is one. So Kim is like question. Here means what? Very simple. So what is one?
Sanji, may I ask, when you do the English translation, have to use the quotation mark open and close?
No need, yeah. Okay,
Thank you.
what is one, right?
Mm.
Then due. Due is what is,
What is two?
now what are two? Okay.
Huh?
What is
What
two or
is
what are
two?
two?
What is two?
Is two, right? Is or
Yeah.
are?
Is.
Is, okay. Okay, now Tini is 3. Chatali is 4. Pancha is 5. Cha is 6. Sata is 7. 8 is 8. 9 is Nawa. 10 is 10. All right. So now you can pick out some Pali on the numbers.
Numbers. Yeah.
Ekam, Kim, no meaning. All right. So what? Very simple. What is one? So Sabe, Sata, Ahara, Titika. Sabe means all
All.
beans. So
Subsist.
Ahara is a
Food.
food nutriment. So Titika means existing or have existing, something like that. But direct translation is all beans
Subsist on food.
exist,
Subsist.
subsist or what? Exist depends on nutriment. Okay. So because not all the beans eat food, some of the beans like the lupa brahma, okay, they live depends on joy. So they don't eat the normal food. So that's why we use the word nutriment. Okay, nutriment is better than the food. Because when you talk about food, people thought that we are eating something, but here actually means nutriment. So what is one? So it's very important, this statement, because all beings exist depends on nutriment. Okay, so this is indirect translation, but it's very easy to understand. So now what is two? Due. All right. Now this due, I think you know the word. From the Malay word is dua. All right. You can see we become you, right? Like dua means due, same like Pali. What is two? Nama. Now nama you translate as mind and matter. You can see here with the chak and chak. So you can translate mentality, materiality. Okay. Or sometimes nowadays they translate as name,
Name and form.
yeah, and form. But I think the best is this one, mind and matter, or mentality, maternity, and maturity, right? Nama and Rupa. This N, where you get this one, all right? So this is because all these are Nim, Cha, okay? So all these are neuter gender. Here also neuter gender, right? Okay. Tini, Nama, Kim. So what is 3? Now, what is 3?
Feelings.
The answer is
Three kinds
three
of feelings.
3 feelings, 3 kinds of feeling. Okay, now, what kind of feeling you know, right? So will be
Pleasant,
pleasant,
unpleasant,
unpleasant,
neutral.
neutral, ER, right? No, neutral, yeah. Okay. So what is 4? So very easy. 4,
Four noble truths.
Arya is noble. Arya, Satya, okay? Noble truths, right? So all these are neuter, all right? With the need here. Now, what is 5?
5 aggregates.
So, Pancha Upadana Kanda. All right. So 5 aggregates of clinging. Okay. So you know what is 5? What is 5?
Pancha.
Body, feeling, perception,
Sankara.
mental
Formation. Consciousness.
formations, consciousness. Right? Okay, now what is 6?
Internal sixfold base.
Internal basis. Okay. Ajatika. No, okay. This ajatika from the word adi. Okay, adi become dy, become ajjh. Right? Ajata from the ika. Okay. Ajataka. Then plus the ani. But you no need to write this to an exam, just for your own understanding, all right? Ajata. So 6 internal base. So what are they? Eye,
The sense,
ear,
eye,
nose,
ear, nose,
tongue, body,
body,
and mind.
mind.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is the 7?
We have to write all this detail lah, Asaji. All the
No,
answers.
no.
No need lah. We just give the
7
meaning. Factors of enlightenment.
factors of enlightenment. Okay.
Yeah.
So this from the 2 words, body plus anger, right? So the BODH become BODY become BOJJH. So you don't need to show this. You just need to show me if I ask, all right, the English translation. Okay, what are 8? Okay,
8 noble. 8
noble.
path. Noble eightfold path.
Okay, so Arya is actually noble. This like have path, have 8 factor, so path. Maga is path. So the whole thing will be noble 8-fold path. Okay. Now 9. So 9. Sata
9 abodes
plus
of beings.
short A long A awasa. Okay.
Long A.
Awasa. Dwelling, home. Okay.
Abodes of beings.
Can be long A also. Long A better, all right? So 9 types of dwelling for beings. Or beings, okay. Now next one. What is 10? Okay. Dasa.
10.
Dasaha anga. Samanagato araha iti uchati. Okay.
He that
So
is
dasa
anga. He that is
anga.
anga. Okay. 10
Dasa
attributes.
anga. How are you going to break this?
Dasa anga. He.
Okay. Do you have dasaha? What is dasaha? 10 days. Shouldn't be 10 days, yeah. Arahan. Dasa anga should be 10 factors, okay. 10 factors. ED with
We say 10 attributes.
attributes.
10.
Factors, attributes, or qualities.
Yes.
Endowed with 10 qualities. Okay. Okay, Arahan. Okay, so it's Arahan. So with the iti, Uchati is said. So who is said? So here with the O means somebody. Okay, one who is one who is endowed with 10 qualities is said as Arahant. Okay. This for you to pick up some simple grammar with the Kim, Nama Kim, and pick up some vocabulary about like one, okay, Eka, Dwe, Tini, Chatari, Pancha, Cha, Sata, Ata, Nawa, Dasa. For the young novice, they start to memorize this one because it's very easy to memorize, very short sentence. So Kumara actually means boy, but actually means that the young boy in the monastery will be the Samanera. Okay. Okay, this one I think I will skip it. Maybe next week I'll do it. I think most of you are very familiar with the manga sutta, so it should not be difficult for you all. But try to analyze yourself first. Okay, now we go for this one. Right? It looked very long sentence about this from Anguttara Nikaya, but there's a lot of repetition. This akusala, this is kusala. These two are stem, but one is negative akusala, kusala is positive. So we look at the negative side first. If you get the first line, you get the others. So when this kind of sentence, what you do, try to break it. Okay. Okay, after you break it, the sentence are very short already. For Anguttara Nikaya. Today you learn this one, Pajahata, Pajahati. Right? So what is Pajahati?
Abandon.
Abandon. So, yes. Akusala Dhamma means unwholesome things. O monks, you abandon. Right? So the whole sentence will be, O monks, you abandon the unwholesome things. Right? Is it easy? Right, it's easy. Okay, next one.
You abandon the unwholesome. Sagi, not wholesome, unwholesome.
Okay, unwholesome. O monks, bikawe, akusalam, unwholesome. Here they put as singular, right? So you can put like this, okay, to show it can be singular or plural. O monk, you abandon the unwholesome things. Pajahata, right? You see this pajahati in lesson 13. Now, saka, bikawe, akusalam, pajahata. Now become pajahitum. Now the same thing is only you have this pajahata become pajahitum. You notice that the Buddha always repeat. So saka means from the word sakoti, right? He means able. So you can translate it is able. O monks, unwholesome. Tum. Tum you translate infinity so to abandon. So it is able, O monks, to abandon unwholesome things. Okay, since it's singular, we just follow the singular. So you can see the Buddha is repeating, O monks, you abandon the unwholesome thing. This is like command or opening sentence. Then the Buddha start to explain more. It is able, O monks, to abandon the unwholesome things. Unwholesome means that in terms of like body action, mental, verbal action, mental action, okay? All these three.
We have to write it down even it's not mentioned, Saji.
No need, no need. This is extra knowledge. Okay.
Oh.
Now you can see the sentences are quite same. You have the saka, you have the bikawe, you have the akusalam, pajahitung. So here, no chedam. Here actually in other Tipitaka is written as no chetam. No means same with na, right? So here means cha plus itam is combination. So not and this O monks, it is able, maybe you can would be. This one is a conditional. You will learn later, right? Conditional mode. Okay. Would be unwholesome to abandon. Okay. So this no or not should link with the action here. Okay. So the action here means would be. So O monk, here you can put like if would be, all right? If it is not able to abandon this unwholesome. It is maybe it would not. Okay. If it would not, would be become would not. They put the not here and then the sakat here, able. So if it's would not able to abandon this unwholesome. Now this sentence.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Jenny. Just I checked the dictionary here, the chedang. It said that is CE plus idang. So CE is
Okay. It. CE. If.
CE
All right.
is if equivalent to if.
Okay. Chedam.
CE
Now, if you want to put the CE, che edam.
plus
Okay, also can.
idang, EIDAN. Because I'm looking at the CEDAM.
This one?
Not the yes.
This
so
one?
CE plus idang. Idang is
All right.
is right?
Okay. CE or CA?
CE plus
CE, okay.
E
Idam.
idang. IDAM.
Okay. This
I
one
don't know whether it's
explanation
correct.
here. Che idam. Or I think it will be cha etam. Also can. Or maybe CE etam. All right. Okay. Yeah, C is okay. So if we have the C here, we can put if.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Then this will be, we don't need to put the if here. So would be, all right. Bawisa. Okay, you'll find this in the conditional mode on the lesson. Which one? Lesson number conditional. Which lesson? Conditional mode. Present.
Conditional mode means potential lah.
Not potential.
Conditional
the,
if lah, sache.
not this one. This one, another one. Can't remember which page. Right? Okay. All right. Anyway, so cha
page
idam or
89.
cha 89.
Sorry?
Okay.
89 page 89.
89. Okay, yes, okay. So this will be the page 89. So you can use the word sache plus the conditional mode. Okay. About with, yeah, all right. So here will be che, all right. So not this cha. So che means sache, you can reduce the sa become che. Okay. So not che dam, che idam, or che etam, right? Etam. Okay. Anyway, you have the che means if. So if would be, right? Would be able. Maybe if you want to put the subject, if one, okay? If you want to put subject one, if one would not be able to abandon this unwholesome, okay? Not aham.
Would not
So
be able, right?
not I,
If one
task
would not.
should say, okay? Or maybe optative. Should say is again, okay, should say. Okay, I should not, would not. Yeah, would. Put the word. Okay. I would not say thus or say so. Okay. I will not say so. Means that it's possible to abandon the unwholesome things. So, O monks, you abandon the unwholesome things. It is able, O monks, to abandon the unwholesome thing. If one would not be able to abandon this unwholesome, I will not say so. It's actually saying the same thing but in different Pali. Right? So do you understand the meaning? Yeah, it just say that Buddha say opposite statement that everybody can abandon the unwholesome. All right. If you cannot abandon the unwholesome, the Buddha would not say so. Right. Okay, so you all look at this for a while. Okay. What the Buddha say? Okay. I will not say so or say thus. Okay, same. You abandon the unwholesome things, all monks. Right? Now you already see the yasma and tasma in your Pali Made Easy. Yasma chako bikawe saka akosam pajahitum. Then you can break here. Tasma ham ewan wadami. Akosalam bikawe pajahata. So it's same thing again, but repeat in different way. Yasma is because ko has no meaning, so indeclarable. All monks. Saka you see already. Able, unwholesome, to abandon. So because all monks, it is able to abandon unwholesome. Tasma plus aham. So I thus say, okay, right? Same thing. Unwholesome. Okay, all monks you abandon. So therefore, so means therefore. Therefore, I say thus: you abandon the unwholesome, O monks.
Unwholesome. Sagi, not wholesome, unwholesome. You abandon the unwholesome. Thank you.
Okay. Now this sentence is getting long, but you can break at the verb here, samvateya. Okay. So same, unwholesome, idam. Now you can see this idam here. So previously you had this idam, okay? Or idam. Here should be this idam. Yeah. So unwholesome. He is in the indeed. Plus the idam. So indeed these old monks Pahina means abandon. It's a past participle here. So this one is unbeneficial. Dukkha means suffering. Samvateya is should